Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, we are actually going to be swapping over these ugly headlights. I mean, look at them.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
I tried to wet sand them and buff them. Guess they're just damaged from the inside. This one's very ugly. But yeah, gonna switch those over. I got some new ones. These ones should look good just due to the color of the car, and it kind of goes with the whole theme. We got our nice black housings. But before I start putting those in, I'm actually gonna actually clean the engine bay, because you know, it's been nice in the winter, but all this salt and just stuff everywhere, salt, nice and dirty. But I'm gonna do that first, and I'm gonna start on this video today. Alright, so the tools you're really gonna need is just a trim removal tool, ratchet with 10 mil, and a Phillips. Now my car already had this bumper off before, so I didn't put all the clips back, as you can see. I'm just gonna take this one clip out. Underneath there'll be maybe 6 clips. I pretty much didn't put any of them back the last time I was down there, but there's gonna be a 10 mil right here on top in this corner, and another one in that corner, and then there's gonna be a Phillips right here underneath that plastic on that side and on the other side. Once you got all that out the way, all you're gonna do is just take it by the corner right here, pull it out, and then the whole thing should come right off. It's your front bumper. Bam. Ooh, just a little crusty under here. Wow. But yeah, but other than that, that's pretty much it. That's how you get the bumper off. It's gonna be 2 10s up here. Should be this 10 here on the side and 2 here actually. So I'm gonna get all these 10s out, pop this off, and we can transfer this bracket over to our new headlight. But I'm gonna start with the other side first, since I got that light out the box already. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna put LEDs in here or not, because I put LEDs in that car over there, and for some reason, I don't know if it's the style bulb I got, they just don't look right. But yeah, I mean, they weren't a cheap one either, so not sure. Might just put the regular bulb back in just for now. But yeah, we'll see about that. But yeah, we're gonna get this out of here. And there's pretty much our difference. Sorry I'm not really recording every single step. It's just kind of hard to do it because I'm by myself. But I end up just putting the LEDs I had in there. I mean, it does look better. So from that ugly mess, and look, this one barely even works. You gotta hit it and then boom. From that to that, I think it's gonna make the car look a lot better once the bumper and everything's back on. But I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna have your 2 10s there. You're gonna have a 10 here to the side. There's 2 on the top, 1 here and here. And then on the headlight itself, to remove the bracket, there's actually, if I can find it, there's 110 right there. So you remove that 110, this bottom bracket comes off, and all you do is just transfer it over to the new headlight. And yeah, you just put everything back together the same way you took it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Sorry I can't get it on camera, which kind of sucks, man. I don't have anything to hold my phone right now, but yeah, we're gonna get this side out. Gonna put it all back together and see what it looks like. And there you pretty much have it. What a huge difference. Brought this whole entire front end to life. This thing looked old and ragged out. Now it looks a whole lot better. Just cause some headlights. Just clearing up some headlights. Looks so much better. Now I am debating on getting the what is it, 05, 06 bumper where it has the circle fog lights instead of these ones. These ones, they sell them, but they have like some stupid cover that goes on them, and it looks like a grill pretty much, and they are so ugly. But these headlights, man, just make huge difference. Huge difference, huge difference. Wow. Yeah, I mean, that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry this was a short one. Gonna make another video tomorrow, so thanks for watching.
Like a Hellcat.